Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network. Hi, this is Amit Doshi, and I wanted to thank each and every one of our listeners. It's been 2 years since I founded IVM, and it's been an amazing 2 years. We wanted to learn a little bit more about who is listening to our shows, and so we put together a short survey. The survey is anonymous, and we aren't going to be collecting any personal information. I would really appreciate it if you could take a couple of minutes out of your day and go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and fill it out. Thanks, and please keep listening.
You're listening to TFG Cricket.
Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Cricket Podcast. We are continuing with our IPL series, previewing teams. Today we have a complete package with Kolkata Knight Riders. I think it is one of the most complete, all-round team that is there in IPL.
No question about
Vivek
it.
is shaking his head full 360 degree, not even 180.
Yeah, so, let's go back to 2008, 2009. Everybody spoke about Shah Rukh could do nothing right with this team. And I remember it got to a situation, this was when the tournament was taken to South Africa. He said, I'm not going to come to the stadium. The moment these guys start winning, I'll probably think about it. And they kept losing. They said, okay owner, no problem. You don't have to come, but we'll continue losing. And I remember at the post-match presentation ceremony, Ajit Agarkar, who used to play for KKR, he said, we are just not winning. We have run out of ideas. That was 2008, 2009. We are in 2017. Complete transformation. Great.
Two cups in the bag.
Two cups in the bag. And if you look at their strike rate, I'm talking about number of matches played, number of matches won, they are there in the top 2, top 3 bracket.
Okay.
Credit goes to Joy Bhattacharya, Venki Mysore, Wasim Akram, Jack Cullis, Simon Katich, Gautam Gambhir, and Vijay Dahiya. Okay. Not too many people know, but he has been the guy working hard behind the scenes. And it is a power-packed team. No weakness. I cannot see any weakness. The only loss for them is Andre Russell's absence. But they have got a replacement in junior Andre Russell because
too much hype.
He's billed as the next big thing in Jamaica, Robin Powell. And why did they spend 4 crores on Powell? We saw him play against Zimbabwe. We picked him in our fantasy cricket team and he was hitting 110 meters, 120 meters. He can bowl. Unfortunately, the West Indies are not exposing him. Probably KKR must have given them an order. You don't play him until we play him. So, I genuinely don't see any weakness. Talk about batting, bowling, all-rounders, spinners. They have Kuldeep Yadav, Sunil Narine, Shakib Al Hasan, Piyush Chawla and Yusuf Pathan. Show me a better spin bowling lineup in this IPL. So, no loophole in my opinion. Absolutely nothing.
चलो बंद करते पॉडकास्ट घर जाते हो गया.
No, I'm not a KKR fan, but you look at this lineup
just give
and
them the cup, call them. कहाँ है पूरा 50 days अभी खेलने का? Why trouble?
Brilliant team. That's all.
Just give it to them and let's go. शाहरुख को भी इतना टेंशन है आके उधर बैठ के.
वो तो वो ईडी को फेस कर रहा है.
हाँ तो.
Imagine when Shah Rukh was losing, a lot of people blamed him and they asked him to cut down all the razzmatazz and all the Bollywood element, and then he said Mr. Gavaskar can go own his own cricket team. I know what is to be done with T20 cricket. This is not test match. So many things were spoken about. I mean, so
Ganguly, don't forget Ganguly.
No, let's not forget Ganguly, how he was dropped, and then we saw how many 5,000 people take to the Eden Gardens. So that was so that's why I feel it takes, you need immense courage, Nikhil. And we spoke about KXIP's fans. These guys also had tremendous fan following, and they were answerable, they were accountable, and look what they have done. So
okay.
Yeah, I think see, one of the top 4 teams definitely, and on their day, even when they are 75% in form, they can beat any team out there. But unfortunately, they haven't been winning for some time now. They get into the playoffs, but then actually the difference becomes very stark in the star power that each of these teams has. Whether it's a KKR, whether it's Gujarat Lions. Let's just take last year's 4 playoff entrants, which is RCB, Sunrisers, Gujarat Lions and KKR.
Yeah.
Now when you put those 4 teams on the paper, then you see what is missing in KKR. That's a Gujarat Lions, for example. Look at that top order. RCB, look at that top order. I will come to Sunrisers last. Third, KKR. Suddenly it's a weak top order compared to a Gujarat Lions and RCB. Then comes Sunrisers. The top order is not as strong as KKR, but a more complete unit. So, more complete unit in the sense that one man is enough, that Warner, in form for the entire season. So, great team. No doubt they're more or less a sure shot in the playoffs. Unless something like... There was never any over-dependence on Russell. He was a match winner, no doubt about that. The good thing is that he'll be missed, but it's not that, they'll sweat over it. They have other players who can take his place, as well as, he need not be around to win a match for them all the time. The great advantage, on home they are almost unbeatable. So you have those 14 points. Out of that, 12 is a guaranteed. 10 is definitely guaranteed. 12 achievable. 14 also not impossible. So that means you're almost cruising into the playoffs. So you just need 1 or 2 wins here and there, and you're through. Then naturally, it comes to, in the playoffs, how do you handle the pressure? How do you take it forward? They also have a slight problem of plenty in certain areas. So like spin, for example, as Vivek was saying. So who are the 2 to choose, or you play all 4, like...
they did that many times. And I remember when they had Umesh Yadav and Mone Mokkal as their frontline seamers. And they ended up bowling... and they didn't bowl a single over. And Gautam Gambhir was very happy giving the ball to Sunil Narine, Shakib, Yusuf Pathan, KC Kariappa was with them, and Piyush Chawla. 20 overs gone. No need for Mone Mokkal or anybody else. Even Andre Russell didn't bowl.
Yeah.
So, and talking about the Eden Gardens, very sluggish conditions, and it's very muggy out there. They like playing in that kind of atmosphere, and 50, 55, 60,000 people cheering for them. And they like that. It's their comfort zone, just like what MI have at Dewan Khede, like Super Kings had in Chennai. So, it's not easy to travel to Kolkata and beat them. And that's where they get those handy points. If you look at the last 2 editions, last 2-3, they started winning in 2012, they won. You look from 2012 to 2016, the matches in Kolkata, they'll quickly run up the table. And you will always see Kolkata dealing 2, 3, 4. I'm talking about till the tournament reaches, it gets in the month of May and all. They're always there. And people start talking about potential title contenders. Last year was a disappointment. The way they started, they were almost unbeaten. They should have finished 1 and 2. They had to deal, I think they had to fight with Mumbai Indians. And then obviously Mumbai lost and these guys came to the 4th position and eventually were eliminated by Royal Challengers. So, again, home advantage and Gautam Gambhir, man. How many teams, Nikhil, have a stable captain? Stable with the bat? Stable, not too sure about, kya baat karta hai? But at least...
Shahrukh se
sikha. But look, no doubt he doesn't carry the same aura as MS or Virat. But he will do his job. And people respect him for that. Okay, very diminutive. He is aggressive with a typical Delhi attitude, but he goes about his business, man. He gets those runs. Sure, he's not a part of the Indian team anymore. But you look at the starts he has provided, along with Robin Uthappa.
Yes.
How many teams have a solid opening pair? These guys have been playing since 2012. Not a single team in the history of IPL have had a permanent
Consistent,
permanent openers for 5 years. It's a recipe.
True.
Similarly,
Similar. See, when you talk of Uttappa, then Pandey,
Surya Kumar Yadav.
See, these guys, you don't hear of them, but suddenly IPL comes and they're different animals and they're consistent. And not just getting those 40, 50s, they can have a quick fire 20 which changes the game, and suddenly from nowhere you hear KKR is
Yeah.
up and running. So you don't see, like I said, you don't see that star power in Dwayne Smith or Brendan McCullum or
Yes.
Gale or
Yes.
AB de Villiers or Steve Smith, Dhoni. You don't find there are not these powerhouse names, but as a unit, all these guys chip in and come IPL and they are like suddenly in form. Yusuf Pathan had his bad patches, but last year he was damn decent with in many innings, I think.
Yes.
One of the reason why I feel Kolkata is a complete unit because there is a representation in each and every department. If you take batting, you spoke about Gautam Gambhir. All-rounders, Shakib Al Hasan. Bowling, Sunil Narine. So when you have leaders in each department, it becomes very easy for all these fringe players to.
Very important.
Yeah.
Very important to have that, and also the backup. If Narine goes missing, you have Shakib. If Shakib goes missing, there is Piyush Chawla. If Piyush doesn't play, there is Kuldeep Yadav.
Who is the hero now? He will be a superstar.
Who's the hero now?
Yeah.
And you talk about batting, you have Surya Kumar Yadav, Manish Pandey, you have Gautam Gambhir, Uthappa. Watch out for this guy, Ishank Jaggi. He's been doing extremely well in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy, playing for Jharkhand, obviously. And they picked him because, like I said, it's all about scouting, Nikhil. And these guys have got the results, proven customers. So that guy, and their bowling, they have Umesh Yadav. We haven't spoken about Umesh Yadav till now. And वहाँ पे situation ऐसा है, you don't need a pacer. One of the reasons why they let go Monemokal, why would they do that? You have won the trophy twice with Monemokal. Why do you want to release him? Probably one of the reasons. They let go Jason Holder. But they have got two class bowlers in Trent Bolt and Chris Wokes, man.
Yeah. Chris Wokes is there.
Of course, Nathan is there, and then they have
Nathan
Rishi Dhawan.
Rishi Dhawan. Another free, free transfer from Kings 11 Punjab. Why? I'm not saying he's a world-class all-rounder, but he's that typical utility cricketer in T20. Like CP said, come IPL 2 months, you will see all these names crop up. And suddenly people will talk about, next India candidate. So, again, he gives that. And why has KKR done well? Another reason, because you see the Indian contingent. Not only, they don't rely only on the foreigners. If you take out the foreigners, they can still compile a decent Indian team. When you have Yadav, that guy Ankit Rajput impressed everybody with his pace and bounce last year. He's going to be playing in the starting 11. So this is the kind of depth and variety they have.
So who do you think are the permanent, starting 4 foreigners?
Starting 4 foreigners?
Yeah.
If Russell was there, surely he would be number 1. Shakib, he's not. So let's say Shakib, Sunil Narine, obviously. Chris Lynn. Now, we need to talk about this guy. We all know what he's capable of. We saw him in the Big Bash. He's played for Australia, obviously. And he didn't get too many chances last year because Russell was there. And you have to accommodate Sunil Narine. Hogg also played. So, it became very difficult for Lynn to get into the team. But now I see him playing at number 4. That position is so vital. And he only knows one way. Eden Gardens is not a big ground. For that matter, not... If he gets going, there is no ground in this world that can stop him.
Yeah, we know that.
Kidhar bhi maar sakta hai. So, and Gautam Gambhir is a very smart guy. He knows how to use these guys. Gambhir, Chuck Cullis, Simon Katich. Not too many people know all these Aussie guys come from... Because Simon Katich goes to Shield Cricket, does all the hard work, gets them in. And he knows who can perform where. So, it's a collective effort. You talk about weakness, I think there is one weakness for KKR. Wasim Akram this time won't be on the bench. You remember? Yeah. He opted out due to some personal issues.
Yes.
Now, that could be an area of concern. But otherwise, on the field, I don't see any man. Really?
Yeah. This is a team which can actually go in with 10 Indian players, and
Still produce results.
yeah. So if at all they'll want one all-rounder in a Shakib, and they can still get away with, get away and get going against any of the teams, and they'll really perform well. They need not worry that Russell is not there or.
But during auction we had put our cards on Ben Stokes, that KKR will definitely go for Ben.
Okay, so I want to say this: had they picked Stokes, you should have given him given KKR the trophy. Okay, it is very clear. I'm pretty sure BCCI must have written to the KKR management.
क्या तो BCCI के बैठ के रोज लेटर लिख रहे हैं?
नहीं. See, imagine Nikhil.
हर एक टीम को लेटर लिख रहा है.
West Indies को लिख.
They had the purse, right, to go for him. They had more money than RPS. So they would have said, okay, 15 crores to Ben Stokes. We don't care about anybody else.
Bolt और Vokes नहीं आते ना.
Doesn't matter. So you see the backup in the bowling, right? So he's going to cover up 4 overs in any case, Stokes. So had they gone for him, और क्या मतलब खत्म होता था. So they said, okay, we want Pune in the hunt, probably their second year, and last, who knows. So they said, okay, you take Stokes.
Pune winning is like Calcutta winning only, na? Sanjeev going का उधर का ही है, कुछ फर्क नहीं करता.
There you go. So it's all between the franchisees.
Yeah, whether RPS or KKR win, it's the same thing.
I pity the other teams, man. What were they doing at the auction? Everybody put up their hand. Can you imagine RCB putting up their hand for Ben Stokes? Man, that was hilarious.
क्यों?
When you have Watson,
But RCB is known
you
to
already
gather
have
all
problem
these
of
star
plenty,
players.
man, as far as overseas players are concerned. Mumbai Indians also put their hand up. Please,
Yeah.
yeah.
That was to inflate. 100%.
Yeah, so there you go. So, again, coming back to Chris Wokes and Trent Bolt, fantastic buys. We have seen Trent Bolt excelling in the IPL with Sunrisers, and Chris Wokes, man, after his time here in India, and we saw him getting that 70 to win a game for England against West Indies, batting number 10. So, phenomenal talent, man, all-rounder. He's going to open the bowling also, and when it is humid, the ball is going to swing. So the toss-up obviously will be between Wokes and Bolt. So it's a complete package. Gambhir, if he wishes to play seamers, he has the option. If he wants to go for an all-spin attack, he can do so. So,
but their first match is not that easy.
Ah.
It's against.
No match is easy. The first match, of course, plays an important mindset and all. But also now, you're talking to veterans of IPL.
Yeah.
कुछ फर्क नहीं गिरता पहला match.
decades.
They just go there. You have to go smack the ball. You have to give dot balls, not even take wickets. See, the thing is, you're a great bowler if you give maximum number of dot balls.
yeah.
Again, what we spoke yesterday, I'm just coming back to that thing. What can actually affect them is they have 4-5 players whose career is on the line. Robin Uthappa,
Yeah.
Yusuf Pathan, Gautam Gambhir, and Manish Pandey, no, definitely. But one more, if I look at Surya to some extent. See, these guys want to make a mark this year. There is no doubt about that. Because unless they do that, they will get picked up in any team. Probably KKR will pick them up again next year when everyone goes into the pool. But everyone wants a bigger figure. And you want to be in that hunt for raising your market price. So how that will affect the team performance, if at all, if that can be managed. Unlike other leagues where you know that unless you do something drastically wrong, you'll be still in the team. Here, like you have this thing that I'm going to be in the pool. 8 teams or owners are going to sit out there and choose openers. So Robin Uthappa is going to say, I should be in that list where, at least the third opener a team wants. If I'm the 9th, then my price is gone. Because once 8 teams have 8 good openers, then I am no longer there. Same with all-rounders.
Yeah.
Yusuf Pathan. Not so inconsistent, but not something you can always bet on. His form has...
He's not the same.
Up and down. Yeah,
as he was before.
And after the IPL, he's forced to go play with the kids in the Maidan.
Exactly. So he has to make a mark.
Yeah.
So every time when you're batting 5, 6 and all, many a time you come in with just 16 balls left and you have to throw your bat around. So you might make it or might not make it. It's like exactly 50% chances. So each of them, it will be playing on their mind, how do I make a mark? Because you can imagine once May 15, 16, the final is over, everyone is going to wake up in November, December for the grand auction. And till then you have nothing to prove.
Yeah.
You are not in the Indian team. You are playing some local leagues or whatever. So this is the platform.
And we'll have pretty much no domestic cricket from June till November.
Yeah.
So
take a Rishi Dhawan, for example.
Yes.
You know, he's going to want to prove something. Okay, I am a consistent bowler. I don't give above 30. I get those 1-2 wickets. Batting to usko milega nahi.
And Rishi Dhawan was India's opening bowler.
Absolutely.
Yep.
So look at it.
Yep.
So this is one factor which could, unless it's managed well by the team and the captain and the
But that
staff.
applies to all the teams.
Yeah, but this team, unlike others, we said they can go with a 11-member Indian
Yes,
team. Yeah.
yes.
And see, the foreigners, they know.
Yeah.
They go out, they're playing their bilaterals, they're playing
Yes,
all this.
yes.
See, the best of the foreign players are here, except for few specialists. They get a chance to prove themselves. Suddenly,
Elsewhere,
Big Bash happens and,
Yeah.
oh, you talk about this
Correct,
guy.
correct.
He's in form, let's take him.
Yes.
But here, Yusuf Pathan is going to
Yeah.
his name is going to be only spoken in the next auction.
Yes. Yes.
So
Unfortunately.
whatever all these numbers that and all the 9 editions don't matter. This edition's numbers are going to matter.
I agree.
So he'll be hankering for more opportunities at the crease and probably one long innings. So somewhere to make a mark.
Yeah.
So it's going to play on their minds. Let's be very clear about that. And probably that can, at some stage affect the...
But talking about Yusuf Pathan, here lies the opportunity. India today, now that people talk about Dhoni's hitting abilities, it's going away, and Yuvraj struggling for form. Do we have a finisher in limited overs cricket? I'm not too sure.
You're talking about...
I'm talking about the Indian team, and we heard from Suresh Raina's coach that he has lost interest in cricket. He's not been practicing after getting married. So therein lies the opportunity. There is always a spot or two vacant, Nikhil. Kabhi bhi in Indian cricket. And if you're able to cash in, and like we said, play for yourself, your franchisee will do well in the process. If Yusuf Pathan can do that, you might see Yusuf Pathan in the Champions Trophy. Don't laugh at me. Dekho tu.
We didn't even start laughing. So now we want to laugh.
laugh.
Tell me one
That's
thing.
possible. We have seen... that's how the Indian selectors...
There's no doubt about that.
Players.
So we are very sure that KKR is going to make it to the playoffs.
Yeah.
What are the chances that they might...
Not make it.
Yeah.
Well, stranger things have happened, of course.
Of course, stranger things. They have won the trophy also. So strange it is.
well.
No. The first time they won, they just last ball.
That was Manvinder Bisla. Where is he now?
190 run innings and that
Crazy.
changed it.
Chennai should have never lost that match.
Exactly.
And
And they decided to drop Morne Morkel for the match. The guy who took the maximum
Yes,
wickets that
yes,
season. Orange
yes.
cap, I think, na?
Yes, he was the orange cap holder.
And suddenly they decided कि ममता का फोन आया है मॉर्ने मोर्कल आज bowling नहीं
नहीं
करेगी
करना है. हाँ,
बस
anyway.
So KKR, so strange things like KKR winning have also happened. So it's
Twice.
But second time was a bit more convincing, I would think so.
No. Again, you could say Maxwell and Miller could have done well and all that. So, that's
No, done well. They didn't do well. Saha leke gaya unko.
Saha leke gaya,
Saha
Saha scored 70, 80 something.
Yep.
Yeah.
142.
Saha scoring 142.
You check the record books.
Yes.
I might not be exact, but it's definitely more than 120.
100? Goodness me, that's a lot
And that's
for
after
Ridhiman
they
Saha.
being down 20 for 4 or something.
Yep.
Something
Okay.
to that effect, I don't know the exact. But he single-handedly took the match to where it was.
Well,
Okay.
So-
okay.
But
highly unlikely. They should make it. In fact, one
they
of
shouldn't make it.
Okay. Title contenders, very much. Number 3. Quite possible.
Maybe.
Number 3, sab chod. See, let's talk. Playoffs, if you put 4 teams, they are definitely up
Yes.
there. They are definitely up
And then
there.
it's anybody's game.
Yeah.
Like, on that day.
Then it comes to what CP was saying. Ki comparison between.
Yes. Always,
then
Nikhil.
it's that day Gale decides to
And then
spank
nobody
the ball, then
stops.
it doesn't matter kaun aage.
Yeah.
Kuch farak.
Okay, we'll conclude on that note. Guys, you can read more on IPL on our website, thefangarage.com. You can connect us via Twitter and Facebook at The Fan Garage. You can listen to our podcast on IndusVox Media, Audio Boom, SoundCloud, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment, and do download this IVM podcast app on Android and iOS. Till then, take care.
Hey man, just help me out, man. I need some podcast, man. I haven't had a fix in a week. Just need some.
Don't you worry about it. I got podcasts galore for you, man. Just go to ivmpodcast.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Thanks, man. I'm gonna check it out.